Hello everyone. Welcome back to CSC Home Learning for Movers 1A. Again with Miss Ida for today, Tuesday, 14th April 2020. Hi guys, are you doing great now? Have you eaten your lunch? Okay, I'm feeling so great today because I'm expecting to see you in our first virtual meeting on next Thursday. Okay, I thought that your mommy or your daddy, your parents, already got the news from us to download Zoom application, and it will be used next meeting. Can't wait for it, guys. Okay, so well, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do today. So first, we're gonna play. It's a Boogle time, Boogle game. When you were with me in Stars 2, you did this game more than once. So I'm sure now you know how to do that. But don't worry, I'm gonna explain you again. The second one is classbook time, and then with the last activity, grammar book time. Okay, so let's start. Oh, let's begin. The same. In three, two, one. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first activity, Google game. For this game, you need to you need to take your notebook and your pen or pencil. If you don't have any book, it's okay on a piece of paper. Okay, let's start. Here I have a box with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes. 12 small boxes. Inside the small boxes, there are letters. So each box has got a letter or alphabet, an alphabet. A, R, B, E, T, H, I, S, O, U, K, and M. And then what's the game? I'm going to tell you on the next slideshow. Here it is. Okay, so how you play the game, how to play the game is you create English words, English words from the letters or the alphabet in the box. Which box means here it is. Okay, and then one letter can be used more than once. You can use twice or 3 times for a word. Okay, for example, first create English word from the letter in the box. I have um I have he, H, and E. What else? C, melihat, S. So because there's only one E here, you can use more than once, like what I said before. C. Okay, easy, right? Yeah. Next, all the letters that you pick to create the words are from the box. All of them are from the box. Don't create an English word that the letters, one of the letters or some of the letters inside the words are not or isn't from the box. For example, Miss, there is B. There is E. I want to write by. B okay, E okay, but why? Do we have Y here? Have we got Y here? No, so by, this word cannot be used. You cannot write it because one of the letter, it's not from the box that I give you. Okay, understood? Okay, now how to win this game is the winner is the one who can get the highest score from this game. So here it is. The point. If you can write a word that has 2 or 3 letters, it means you get 2 points. 4 until 5 letters, you can get 3 points for each word. Oh, Miss, I can make 6 or more, so I can create an English word consists of 6 or more letters, so you get 4 points. For example, let me change my pen. He, my example, back to this point example. He, how many words? How many letters? 1, 2. Because 2 letters, so your point is 2. I've got 2 points. How about C? 1, 2, 3. So how many points? Yes, still 2 points. Yeah. Yeah. So the longer words that you can make, the higher points you can get. Okay, get it? So you have to write the words that you create on your notebook. And then list. You write it down. You write them down. List the English words as many as you can. So I don't limit the words that you have to create, but because you are in Movers 1 now, I challenge you to write as many as you can because the deadline is still next week. The deadline to submit your game is Tuesday, 21st April 2020. It means you can do that today for 15 minutes and then maybe next week or sorry, next day, tomorrow you will continue to do the game until you can reach, let's say 50, or if you can get more than 50, that's okay. I don't push you to do it today. I don't push you to finish it today, but I'm expecting you to do more, to create or to write more English words. Okay, so don't push yourself because it's still a week to go to finish your to submit your mission, your challenge, the challenge that I give you. And for this, if you can finish it very well, I will appreciate your works. I appreciate your works by giving you prize. And of course, to claim the prize, I need to meet you first. I will give you the prize when we are back to normal. Yeah, when we meet again in CST. Okay, so I will keep your prize. When we meet, I'm gonna give you. Okay, clear? If you still have a question for this game, you can contact me. All right? Okay, so that's the game. Let's move to Activity 2, Class Book Time. Page 64. Please open your book, page 64. Okay, so we are now arrived in Unit 9. What's the fastest animal in the world? Nah, as usual, in part 1, you will learn some new words. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, 8 words, and you need to listen, point, and repeat the words. Okay?
Listening 72. Listen and point.
Lake, mountain, waterfall, ocean, wide, big, deep, high, ocean, deep, mountain, high, lake, wide, waterfall, big,
Listen and repeat.
lake, mountain, waterfall, ocean, wide, big, deep, high.
So now, it's time for you to, after you listen, point, and repeat, okay, now it's time for you to say the words, to spell the words, and to record yourself, because I cannot meet you. So that means you have to record yourself, and I will assess it. For example, lake, L-A-K-E, mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Okay, until you reach the last word, that is high. Okay, so I need you to say, spell, and record. So for recording, please ask your mom or dad to record yourself into a video. Okay, clear? Now let's move to the next point. Okay, again, we will read and watch. I have the video of this. The story, a dialogue, a conversation between the teacher, Max, and Amy. Look, where are they? They are at school. Are you missing your school? A lot, miss. Okay, yeah, I can feel it. So you have to watch and read the story, and then after that I have a quiz that you have to answer relate to this story. Okay,
Hello! I've got a quiz for you today.
Great!
What's the highest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest!
That's right. What's the biggest ocean in the world?
It's the Pacific Ocean.
That's right. What's the fastest animal in the world?
A mouse!
No, a mouse isn't the fastest animal. The fastest animal in the world is a cheetah.
No, a mouse! Look! Ha ha ha! Now Amy is the fastest student in the class.
Okay, here is the quiz. I have three questions here. So, one, based on the story, who has got a quiz for the students? Who gives the quiz to the student? The Amy, Max, or teacher? Or the mouse? Yeah, that's right. The teacher. The teacher has got a quiz for the students, or the teacher gives the quiz to the students. Next, we move to number 2. What's the highest mountain in the world? In the story, they are talking about the highest mountain in the world. So what's that? Do you still remember? Oh, Krakatau. No, in the world. So that's it. Yeah, you're right. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Now we move to the last question. What's the highest mountain in the world? No. What is the biggest ocean in the world? The biggest ocean. What's ocean? Look at back to part 1. Ocean means samudra. Yeah, ocean means samudra. Yeah, so that's Pacific Ocean. Okay, samudra apa yang terbesar di dunia? Samudra Pacific. Yeah, Pacific Ocean. Okay, so that's great. You can answer all of the question. Well done. Okay, so we move to the material, the core of the lesson today. We're talking about adjectives. Remember adjectives? In bahasa we call kata sifat. Yeah, there's a girl, and she says, adjective is a word to describe a noun. A word to describe a noun. Mendeskripsikan sebuah benda. Can be a thing, or a human like you, or place. Can be anything. Okay? Nah, there are lots of adjectives, and I give you only some example of it. The first one is adjective to describe size. So, you are familiar with this. Big, small, long, short. Nah, all of them are adjectives to describe the size, ukuran. The car is big, my hair is long, this book is small, right? It describes the thing, the noun. Next, the second one is age. Like old, young. These two adjectives describe a noun. Like, my grandma is old, I'm young. Okay, next. Color. Wow, colors, they are also adjectives because they also can describe a thing, a noun. Like, my hair is black, my feet are white, apples are red. Okay, clear? So next, feeling. The words of feeling, they are also adjective like hungry. I'm hungry, I'm happy, I'm sad. Nah, all the words that I highlight, this one I highlight here, they are adjectives. Actually, there are more than that, more than this that I explained, but I just give the examples that the words are familiar with you. Okay, you know these words. Okay, so it's clear about adjective. Now let's move to the next. Now I've already given you the examples. So now I have a list of words and you have to find the adjective. Tell me, which one is the adjective? Okay. Fast, right? Run. No, run is a verb. Apple? No, apple is a noun, a thing. If you can see and you can touch it, that means that's the thing, noun. Wide, yaps, lebar, wide, lebar, that's it. Long, yeah, I've told you before. Mountain, no, because mountain is the noun, it's the thing. Tall, yep. It's a tall building, nah, it's a tall man, okay. Big, yes. Lake, no, it's a thing. You can see it. Short, yep. Loud, what is loud? Ya, nyaring. Besar suaranya. Loud. Yeah. How about blue? Yes, also because blue is a color and color is one of the adjectives. Okay, it's clear, right? Okay. Now let's move to the main. Okay, so here it is, the main lesson for today. Comparative adjective. Comparative adjectives comes from compare. Compare in bahasa we call membandingkan. That's why the function of comparative adjective is to compare to people like me and you and your sister, you with your dad, or you with anybody, place, or things. Once again, comparative adjectives we use to compare two people, two place, or two things. Okay, clear? Now, the rule of comparative adjective is the adjective itself, and then it will be added, you add the letter R or ER in the end of the adjective. For example, here are the adjective. Tall becomes taller. Look, tall becomes taller. I put ER here. Short becomes shorter. Okay, so ER here or R means more, lebih. Tinggi, lebih tinggi. Pendek, lebih pendek. Easy, right? Tall, taller. Short, shorter. Remember, R and ER here means more. Lebih, not lebay. Okay, next move to the next explanation. But for the rule itself, the adjective plus R or ER that I explained you before, it has the rules. There are 3 rules. Can you help me to read together? For most of the adjective, nah, kebanyakan adjective, you just put the adjective with er. So you put er in the end of the adjective. For example, long becomes longer. Fast becomes faster. Right? Panjang, lebih panjang. Cepat, lebih cepat. Okay. Next, adjective ending with e, because there is e here, so you just put r at the end. For example, white here, white. White becomes wider. You just put r at the end, not wider. Here, how wider means wider. Wider. This one double e, tetot. Okay, so wider the correct one. Next, the short adjective with consonant, vowel, consonant, or CVC. Remember consonant? B, C, D, F, G, H, L, M, and vowel A, R, U, E, O. Nah, adjective, for this the rule adjective, and then next you write again the final consonant and you put er, like here, big. Look, big. B is a consonant, I is a vowel, G is a consonant. According to the rule, you have to double the last letter or the final consonant. What is the final consonant? Jimmy. So you look it. Can you see here? Becomes bigger. And then hot again, and then CVC, the last consonant or the final consonant is T. It becomes hotter. Yeah. And then because this is we are talking about the comparative adjective, to compare two things. After the comparative adjective, you put, okay, my pointer please. Where's my pointer? With the blue one. You put then after the comparative adjective. What's then? Then is daripada. Longer than. Lebih panjang daripada. Faster than. Lebih cepat daripada. So that's it. Okay, remember? Adjective er or r, and then you add then. Okay, easy, right? Easy. Okay, so now please we move to the last one, grammar book, page 45. So open your grammar book, page 45. There is an exercise, two exercises to be finished. Here it is, part 1. On your grammar book, you have to add r, ger, or er to the words to make comparative adjective. Ooh, did you hear that? So loud. Okay, for example, long. Long is, according to this rule, we just add er, so becomes longer. How about young? Young, does it end with e for rule number 2? No. Does it consist of consonant, vowel, consonant like number 3? No. That means number 3 goes to rule number 1. You have to put er. So young becomes young. Oh my god. Younger. That's it. Okay. How about deep? How about deep? Deep. Does it end with E? No. Is it a short adjective with CVC? No. So that means number 5 also belongs to rule number 1. You add ER. So deep plus ER. It becomes deeper. Okay, right? So does part 2. Actually, I'm hiding some parts of exercise 1 and exercise 2, and you have to do by yourself according to the rule that I've told you before. And according to this table. Yeah. Number 2, write the comparative adjective. Small. Oh, yeah. Again, follow. It doesn't end with E, and it's not a CVC, so you just follow number 1 at ER. Loud with E? No. CVC? Oh, no. So, just like number 1. Loud. Yeah, it's ER, louder. Easy, right? Easy. Yep. If you still have a question about this, feel free to ask me. Okay? Next, part 3. You write sentences using comparative adjective of the word in the bracket. Word in the bracket. High, old, big, white, quiet, tall. But remember, all of them, you have to change into comparative one with ER. Like high becomes higher. So which one is higher, A or B? A. So you write A is higher than B. Now, old. What is the comparative adjective of old? Old becomes, oh yeah, with ER. Older. Because it's not a CVC. Older. And then, which one is older, A or B? A. So you write A is older than who? Than B. Yep. Okay. Easy? Easy. Easy peasy like strawberry. Okay, now please do number 3 until number 6. Sorry for my handwriting. Okay, so I want you to do exercise 1, 2, and 3. And then after that, please send to me. Take pictures of your work and send to me. I'm gonna score them. Okay? Yeah. Like what I told you before, please download Zoom Meeting. Zoom Meeting in the Play Store. If you want to use your tablet or your phone, or you can also install Zoom Meeting in your laptop, because I'm going to meet you in the class meeting. In the next class meeting, next Thursday, and also next Tuesday. Yeah, because I'm missing you so much. I'm gonna meet you, and let's have fun. Let's have some fun. Okay? So that's the end of our lesson today. As usual, there are 3 things that you have to do in this coronavirus outbreak. One is keep your hands clean by washing your hands with soap. Keep eating healthy food and stay at home. Don't go anywhere. Okay? Now, that's the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching and see you on Thursday. Yeah, I'm gonna meet you.